Her Majesty?
Oh, excuse me. Have a flavor all the time. Miss Weaver.
Oh, aye.
That's your big shot. Another, please.
Sorry.
Another. Sorry. So we have reduced sincerely only fair. Oh. I would like about the sport because I don't fair a little bit spear of the time. Mallorquins, the Balearic Islands, says as the English language. When a Mallorcano says, "Icy cows! Icy cows!" I see cows. In castellano es yo veo vacas. My friend is my friend is on the coach. Excuse me, cut, rot. These days I visit a lot of countries. What's the
Scotland, sir.
Scotland,
Ireland.
more
Wales.
And I think that sería muy bonito o interesante que dentro de este tour se incluyera Magaluf. Magaluf is one of the parts of the kingdom of mine. They weren't fair. Now we're fair. I will love your tail. I was all the time and yes, my God, we were really fine. It couldn't fall. Each week I had to stare all the time and we were holding video with one for the morning, but to all the shows, fit to get ready. Hey, I'm going on you. Hi, Mazzy, Big Mazzy, every fair. This time, huh? Yeah. So sorry, I'm a little embarrassed with the chair. Ya sé lo que siente, lo que sentía el rey Juan Carlos de España.
Me llena de orgullo decirles que estoy muy aburrido, que somos unos bribones todos, que este trabajo cansa. Por eso me he jubilado y me he ido lejos y ya está, y todo esto.